EN 8592 Wastewater Engineering Module 6 Unit 1 House Drainage System presented by Professor Sumati GCE Tanjavur. House Drainage System. The water closet, bathrooms, sinks, wash basin, etc. are the important components of a house. The occupant of the house make use of the above component, and as a result of that there is formation of wastewater. The wastewater from water closet, bathrooms, sinks and wash basin is to be properly disposed into the municipal sewers. It is therefore necessary to construct a system of conveyance of wastewater from water closet, bathroom, kitchen and wash basin and disposable to the municipal sewer. This system is known as a house drainage system. So the typical section, this diagram shows the house drainage system for the individual house connection. That sanitary sewer laterals are provided, then it is connected to the sanitary sewer. In the sanitary sewer, manhole is provided to clear for inspection. Then in the road surface, catch basin is provided to collect the storm water and deliver the water to storm sewer. And also in the houses, in the rooftop, rainwater is collected and go to the roof drain pipelines, and this roof drain is connected to the storm sewer. This is the separate sewer arrangement provided in this diagram. Then important principles of house drainage system. House drainage should be preferably laid by side of the building to facilitate easy repair and better maintenance. House sewer joints should be leak proof, because leakage if any shall create any odor problem, and leaked wastewater shall infiltrate in the ground and shall reduce the bearing capacity of soil below foundation, which is not desirable. The sewage or sullage should flow under the force of gravity. The house sewer should always be straight. The entire system should be well ventilated from start to end, otherwise it will create a odor gases. The house sewer should be connected to the manhole such that the invert level is sufficiently higher to avoid backflow of sewage in the house sewer. Wherever there is change in direction of the sewer line in the premises, provide inspection chamber at the junction. So next point, rainwater from roof or open courtyards should not be allowed to flow through the house sewers. Siphonage actions can never be permitted, and therefore adequate ventilation system should be installed. These are the very important points for providing the house drainage system. Traps and pipes and other components of house drainage system. The following are the main components of house drainage system. Number one is trap, another one pipe, another one is sanitary fittings. Now see one by one. First one is trap. Trap are defined as fitting at the end of soil pipe of waste pipes to prevent foul gases coming out of the soil pipe or waste pipe. This is the trap design. Traps an integral part of a modern sanitary system, being designed to retain a small quantity of the wastewater from the discharge of fitting, to which they are attached as a barrier to prevent foul air entering the building, as shown in the building. So this is the trap portion. In the sketch it is clearly shown that this one is the trap portion. Trap should be self-cleaning, that is to say they should be designed so that their walls are scored by the discharging water. Next one, qualities of good trap. Good trap should have the following qualities. Should provide enough water seal around 50 mm with large surface area. Interior surface should be smooth so that the flow is not obstructed, which enables self-cleansing. An access door should be provided for cleaning the trap. It should be made of non-absorbent material. Classification of traps. Depending upon the Shapes. The traps are classified as P-trap, Q-trap, S-trap. Above three types of traps are shown in the following figures. The depth of the trap seal would depend upon the usage of a pipe. The trap seal varies from 25 to 75 mm deep. This is the schematic diagram. First one is the P-shaped, that is P-trap. Another one is the Q-trap. Last one is the S-trap. Depends upon their shape. It is classified as P, Q and S-trap. Based on the use, the traps are classified as floor traps, nanny traps, gully traps, intercepting traps. First one is the floor trap or nanny trap. This trap is generally used to admit sullage from the floors of rooms, bathroom, kitchen, etc. in the sullage pipe. This is provided with cast iron or stainless steel or galvanized gratings, jalis, at its top, so that the entry of large matter is prevented. Thereby, chances of blockages are reduced. A commonly used name of trap is nanny trap. This one is the PVC. This one is the galvanized. Next one, gully trap. A gully trap or gully is provided at a junction of roof drain and other drain coming from kitchen or bathroom, as shown in figure below. The foul sullage shall enter the side inlet, which is also called back inlet, and unfouled rainwater shall enter from the top, which is covered with cast iron gratings. Gully traps may either have a P-shaped or Q-shaped water sealing arrangement. The water sealing is normally 50 mm to 75 mm deep. Next one, intercepting trap. Intercepting trap is provided at a junction of a house sewer and a municipal sewer for preventing entry of foul gases of municipal sewer into the house drainage system. Intercepting trap is provided in the manhole as shown in the following figure. This one is the intercepting traps. Next one, pipes. Pipe is a hollow cylinder used to conduct or transfer fluid, liquid and gases from one place to other place. In house drainage system, pipes may be designated depend upon the function as shown below. First one is soil pipe. A pipe carrying human excreta is called a soil pipe. Waste pipe. A pipe carrying sullage only is called a waste pipe. Vent pipe. It is a pipe installed to provide flow of air to or from the drainage system, or to provide circulation of air in the drainage system. To provide circulation of air in the drainage system, to protect the water seal of trap against siphonage and backflow. Anti-siphonage pipe. It is the pipe which is installed to preserve the water seal in the trap through proper ventilation. Rainwater pipe. A pipe carrying only rainwater is called a rainwater pipe. Sanitary fittings. Following sanitary fittings are used in the house drainage system. Number one is wash basin, sink, bathtub, water closet, urinal, flushing system. Wash basin. These are plumbing fixtures mainly used for hand washing. These are normally made of glazed earthenware or vitreous china. Sometimes they are also made from iron, stainless steel or plastic, especially for the places where users are more. Wash basins may be either flat back pattern or angle back pattern. The previous is fixed on walls and the latter is fixed for fixing at corners of walls. The flat back pattern has standard size as follows, that is 630 mm into 450 mm, 550 mm into 400 mm, 450 mm into 300 mm, whereas the angle back pattern has standard size as shown below, 600 into 480 mm, 400 mm into 400 mm. The figure shows the section of flat back pattern where wash basin is shown below. Next one is sink. Sinks are the plumbing fixtures provided in kitchen for cleaning utensils. Sinks are also provided in laboratories for cleaning laboratory glassware, etc. The plan and section of the sink is shown below. Size of sinks are indicated for kitchen is 600 into 400 into 150 mm. Another size 600 into 450 into 250 mm. Another one 750 into 450 into 250 mm. For laboratories, 400 into 250 into 150 mm, 450 into 300 into 150 mm, 600 into 400 into 200 mm, then 500 into 350 into 150 mm. Next one, bathtub. Bathtub is the plumbing fixtures provided in the bathroom for taking bath. This is made of glazed earthenware or vitreous china, cement concrete finished with terrazzo or glazed porcelain tiles or marbles, and enameled iron coatings. A circular waste hole at the bottom of the bathtub is provided for drainage purposes. The hole is provided with a metallic waste fitting, or also called waste coupling, having a strainer and a clean opening of about 40 mm to 50 mm dia. A waste pipe is fixed to the waste fitting. The bathtub is provided with a tap or shower and overflow pipe of 40 mm located at 40 to 50 mm below the top edge of the tub. Water closet. A water closet is a pan-like water-flushed plumbing fixture designed to remove human excreta directly and dispose the same into the soil pipe through trap. It is made of vitreous china or porcelain and is connected to soil pipe through the trap. The inside surface of water closet and trap are glazed so that the flushing is smooth and efficient. The water closets are of three types: Indian type, European type, Anglo-Indian type. See one by one. In Indian type water closet, this one. Indian type water closet, Indian standard IS 2556 Part 3 1990 provides detailed specifications for various vitreous china Indian type water closet. Following figure shows the Indian type water closet. It is a simple construction and a working bat used in squatting position. Usually it is made from porcelain. The pan and trap are available in two different pieces. The trap has an opening for an anti-siphonage pipe. The water closet is fixed in squatting position just at floor level. Indian type water closet requires around 10 liters of water for flushing. The flushing system is fitted at a 2-meter height from the water closet. Next one, European type water closet. The figure shows European type water closet. It is usually made of porcelain. It is provided with seat and cover. The pan has flushing rim to spread the flushing rim to spread the flush water. The closet is fitted with P-trap or S-trap. Anglo-Indian type water closet. In the European water closet, the users cannot rest on thin rim conveniently, and in Indian water closet, changes of fouling of excreta are more. The above disadvantages of European and Indian water closets are removed in Anglo-Indian water closet. The closet is fixed at 40 cm above from the floor level, and the upper rim of the pan is enlarged sufficiently so that user can conveniently sit. The below figure shows the Anglo-Indian type water closet. Next one, urinals. Indian standard IS 2556 Part 6 1992 describes the detailed specification for the urinals. Urinals mostly in the use of two types, bowl type, another one is the stall type. Next one, flushing system. Indian standard IS 774 1990 provides detailed specification from flushing system for water closet and urinals other than plastic systems. The flushing system is installed to flush the water closet and urinals. It is made of cast iron, glazed earthenware or vitreous china or plastic. For Indian water closet, the flushing systems are made from cast iron and fixed at a height of about 1.75 meter above the top of closet pan. They are known as high level flushing system. For European and Anglo-Indian type water closet, normally vitreous china and plastic systems are used. The systems are fixed with their bottom at a only height of about 30 cm from the top of the pan. They are therefore known as low level flushing system. Flushing systems are classified as siphonic without valve, siphonic with valve. This one is the flushing system diagram. From the ground surface, sewer is connected from the common pipe that is called a soil pipe. The soil pipe is connected to the lower floor cistern. In the upper floor connected. From the upper floor, one anti-siphonage pipe is connected. The vent pipe is provided for releasing the foul smell. The flushing system is connected to the common soil pipe. Bell type flushing system showed below is used with the Indian water closet. It does not have wall. Bell type flushing system consists of the following parts: bell, float, lever with chain, inlet, outlet and overflow pipes, cast iron casing. Bell type flushing, the function of the cistern is based on principle of siphonic action. When the float is at the bottom, the inlet valve is open and water enter the cistern. When the water level rises, the float also rises, and at a certain water level, the inlet valve is closed. When the chain is pulled, the bell connected it through lever is lifted up and the water splashes inside the bell through the bottom of the bell, which carries some air with it, and as a result of the partial vacuum is created in the bell, which generates the siphonic effect, and water continuously flow in the flush pipe through its bottom and siphonic action stops. As the cistern is emptied, float comes down and inlet valve is opened, allowing water to flow in the cistern. This process is continuously repeated. System of plumbing. There are 4 plumbing system for house drainage system is provided. Number 1 is single stack system. Next one pipe system. Next one single stack partially ventilated system. Another one 2 pipe system. So system of plumbing and house drainage, all the systems are shown in the following figure. The first one is the single stack system. Next one is the one pipe system. Another one single stack partly ventilated system. Another one 2 pipe system. So in this figure, the WC indicate water closet, B indicate bathtub, WB indicate wash basin, S indicate kitchen sink, VP indicate vent pipe, SWR indicate soil and waste pipe, SP indicate soil pipe, WP indicate waste pipe, MH indicate manhole, GT indicate gully trap. All pipes terminate as vent pipe at the top. From the single stack system, from the figure, it is clear that only single pipe act as soil pipe, waste pipe and ventilation pipe. This is poorly ventilated system. It is simple system and easy to construct. Risk of water seal breaking in the trap is high because of induced siphonage. Waste or air of the waste pipe may be forced up due to back pressure. Next one pipe system. A separate vent pipe is provided in the system. It is clear from the study of sketch that in comparison to single stack system, the system is costly and difficult to construct. Ventilation is provided to silage pipe and soil pipe too. Arrangement of pipe network is difficult. Single stack partially ventilated system. Following are the features of the system. Only wastewater closed traps are ventilated. Traps of bath, wash basin and kitchen are not joined with vent pipe. This is economical system. It is required to maintain water seal of 75 mm or more. It has simple arrangement of pipe. 2 pipe system. Following are the features of 2 pipe system. Water closet, bath traps, kitchen traps and wash basin. All are connected to the vent pipe. Separate soil pipe and waste pipes are provided. 2 vent pipes are provided. There are 4 stacks in this system. It is efficient system but costlier than other systems. Thank you.